So you clicked on this video because you want to know, is starting a Facebook group hard? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to break it down for you. Maybe you're a real estate agent who's looking for another lead generation pillar in your business, or maybe you're a new real estate agent starting out and trying to figure out what lead generating pillar for your business is the one that you need to select to get you off the ground and running. And one question that I get asked often is starting a Facebook group hard? My name is Griffin. I'm a top selling real estate agent and I'm a real estate coach. And I use my free Facebook group to generate over $20 million a year in sales. And I've been a top producer for many years. And now I coach other agents on how to leverage the power of a Facebook group. So is starting a Facebook group hard? That's kind of a loaded question, actually. No, it is not. However, anyone can start a group, right? But how you start the group and have the settings set up and how you leverage the group and what you put into the group is the hard part. And that's the part that I see so often gets set up incorrectly. So setting up a Facebook group, yes, clicking all the buttons in Facebook, super duper easy. But what you do with the group and how you leverage it in your business as a lead generation pillar, that's the part that's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some systems. It's gonna take a little bit of your know-how of what to do in order to use it as a lead generation pillar in your business. I coach lots of agents. I have a course on it. There's a link below if you want a little bit more information. But you're really gonna need to put together processes about how you're gonna grow your group. How are you gonna get people in your group? How are you gonna get them to engage and stay in your group? How are you gonna find leads? How are you going to do data mining so you can find the leads in your group because you already know that some of them are looking to buy or sell potentially this year. So you need to put in systems. How many times are you gonna touch them per year? What ways are you going to touch them? Are you gonna touch them and have conversations off Facebook and on Facebook? Or are you gonna stick mainly to just Facebook? These are lots of questions that you're gonna need to ask yourself. So yes, starting a Facebook group is easy. Maintaining it and getting leads, that's the hard part. But luckily for you, you've got me. I actually created the roadmap to get leads out of your Facebook group. And if you want more information, just click on the link below and I'd be happy to connect with you.